Welcome to the BridgeWorks tutorial for editing users in WebReports. Editing a user will allow an admin to change the email and roles that are assigned to a specific user. To get started, we need to click on the Users tab located on the left side of the browser. This will take us to the Management page. Once you are on the Management page, you will need to click the Edit User button, which will open the form to edit the user's emails and roles. Once the desired changes have been made, click Change. The changes that were made will take effect the next time the user logs into WebReports. For more information and videos on WebReports or VDM, check out the links in the description.